going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Yes, we are driving a Charger Hellcat. It's not a red eye, not a white body, but still a Hellcat. I haven't uploaded a video at night in a long time yet. Somebody was kind enough to lend us, me and Arnie, my son, this Hellcat for a couple of days, and I'm taking it for a ride. We have the magic key, the one that makes things happen. I'm impressed with the way this thing drives. I'm hoping that the camera can pick up that whine sound. Man. It sounds like it wants to like rip everybody off. Keep on going straight? Yeah. Look at this fucking now. I'm hoping the camera can pick that whine sound. Anyways, just a quick video to let you guys know that yeah, we'll be having the Hellcat for a couple of days. We'll probably make another video tomorrow. Oh, that sounds... I can't gun it. We live in an area where cops are like every 2 blocks and everybody knows everybody. So we gotta keep it quiet. Keep on going straight. Yep. Alright. Man, that light on the phone is like blinding me. Man. This thing sounds really nice though. And I'll tell you what, nothing wrong with the Challenger though, but I like the Charger better. Why? In my opinion, and I don't drive this every day, this feels a little lighter than the Challenger. Woo. That's the sound of heaven right there. That's the sound that you're gonna hear if you do anything stupid, speed up over 100 and hit a light pole. That's the sound of going to heaven before you die. Which way we go now? This way. Let me see. We are getting into a part of the neighborhood that we don't come a lot. For the sake, oh man, the sound is. Oh my God! I'm hoping that the camera can pick up that whine sound. Man, I know you guys watch my videos. You've probably seen a bunch of other videos that I have done with the Challenger, with the Charger. Well, my Charger doesn't count because it's like I don't know. It doesn't even exist compared to this. Which way do we go? Keep on going straight. There you go. One day, I don't know if it's gonna be these or the Challenger. I like the Charger better, but you'll see this on the channel one day. May not be a new one, might be a used one, but man, and I want to clarify one thing. This is not a dream car at all. This is just one of the cars that I like to own, but it's not a dream car at all. Man, this thing sounds like it wants to get a ticket, but we know better. We know way better. Wow. That's loud. It's gonna wake up people. You think?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit, right? Just a little bit.
It's only 7 o'clock.
Right? Woo! This is fun, man. We got it. What's that, 55?
Yeah.
Yeah, 55. We're keeping it at 55. Man. Yeah. Man, I'm telling you, it's one thing to be watching videos on YouTube and a whole different experience when you sit on it. Anyways, just want to make a quick video. Man, I can't even talk. That's how excited I am. Just wanted to make a quick video. I'll be posting another video during the daytime in the next couple of days with this Hellcat. Thanks a lot for watching. By the way, if you guys think that we should add a Hellcat to the stable, let us know in the comment section. Whether it's a used one or a new one, just let us know. Should we buy a Hellcat? We'll see you guys on the next video.